Quick video, difference between home warranty and homeowner's insurance. Home warranty fixes things depending on what kind of coverage you get, just like any warranty. Covers like your AC units, your fixtures, water heater, furnace. I recommend people who get them, especially when you're buying a home, whether resale or not. They average between 450 as high as 900, 1,000, depending on the size. If it has a pool, do you have, what kind of refrigerators are being covered? Just like any other warranty. It covers a certain extent. There's a deductible on a home warranty. Now, should your house flood or burn down or get broken into or lightning strikes it or an earthquake, again, depends on your coverage, that's your homeowner's insurance. So essentially, your warranty, let's say you're on the second floor, a toilet leaks. Your home warranty will fix the leak. Your homeowner's insurance will take care of the water damage. And let's say if you're displaced. And all this, again, varies on your coverage. Some have better coverage than others. There's just no way around it. You pay for your coverage, and it's risk aversion. You pay more to have more covered. Some home warranties and some homeowners insurance are better than others. Do you go with a local or a national? Do you go with a smaller company, a big company, somebody with a local rep? You can have all of that. Just depends. If you Google and research homeowners insurance or even home warranty, you're probably going to get mostly negative comments because people only, most of the time, they only post things when it's negative, right? If I've had my homeowner's insurance, for me, example, my home warranty, I've had it for years. I've used it for years. I've never had a problem. I don't post every time I call and they fix my sink and say they fixed my sink, great, because that's what they're supposed to do. We don't really give people compliments on things that they're supposed to do. It's when things don't go right that we start doing reviews. We complain online to try to get what we want, and sometimes people complain even though they didn't actually pay for the coverage. And obviously there's bad companies out there who just say no to everything. But I can tell you from personal experience that I have dealt with three different home warranty companies. And I already knew before I called whether something I was going to call about was covered or not because I knew what I paid for. That's just understanding it. Same thing for homeowners insurance. Make sure you talk to a broker or talk to whoever, the toll-free number, and ask what's covered on your homeowner's insurance. Does it cover burglary, acts of God, earthquake, flooding? What does it cover? Find out and then find out what your deductible is so you go in there more knowledgeable. The more you know, I know it sounds a cliche, but the more you know, the better. So that way, and make sure it's in writing. So that way you, should something happen and you can have a valid complaint. Instead of, oh my God, they didn't fix my fridge. Well, you didn't pay the extra $65 a year for refrigerator coverage. Now you're going to complain that it wasn't covered. It's unfortunate that it wasn't covered, but you weren't paying attention. So they didn't tell me about it. I said, well, I'm sorry. I really am. I feel bad with people who are misinformed or just not told. So, but it is your coverage. So, when you're buying a house, ask what's covered. It's in the brochure, literally. It tells you what's covered, what the deductible is, and things of that nature. So the more you know, hope that helped.